Hello guys, today prank ko yung little cousin ko na nawala yung groceries niya. Ito tinago ko, nakaprepare. Aki! Aki! Where's Aki?
What you meaning?
What you meaning?
What's the meaning of this?
Aki! Nawala yung mga, stuffed toy! Oo! Ito wala na dito. Ayan wala na. Okay, so lablabas na natin. Ito natin. So guys, nabiglig yung unti. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi tinago ko naman doon eh. Aki! Aki, it's a prank! It's a prank! Ito Ito! Nandoon! Dito, tinago ko. Papakita ko yung reaction. Ito guys, reaction niya. In 3, 2, 1. Ito po. Is a prank lang mga guys. So say bye. Bye.